Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can delete clients on Jabber. So please listen carefully to each detail and step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to keep your client list clean and organized. So first, you have to make sure that you do have your Jabber account already, and once you do have that already, then please make sure to log in. Then, after logging into your Jabber account, you will go to the client section and then you will click all clients. Then you will find the client that you would want to delete and you will click their profile. You will click actions, then you will click delete client. Confirm deletion in the pop up and the client will now be removed from your account. And that's just it. If your screen looks different, you can also check under clients and then you will click manage and then you will select delete. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.